Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We got Raul in here with us today, and he's got his hip on the left side has really been bothering him, and his knee over here. He came up here from Colombia. He found us online, saw some of our videos. Let's see if we can't get him tuned up. Then how about your neck up here? Not too bad?
Yeah, a little
bit?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
At the top here?
Yep.
Yeah, he's got a lot of tight muscles, especially on the left side. Now, does this pain run down like this a lot, or not really? Does it come down the leg? No, it's just right here. And this happened, it was a soccer injury. So right now I'm working on his glute med, and this is affected just because his gait's been off. Because you have to kind of limp around, right? And that causes this to be super tight. Yep, rather head day. Is this knee bad or no? This knee?
No,
it's okay. Good. That's okay.
Yeah.
For that. Oh. See, it doesn't have hardly any external rotation or internal. That's right here?
Yeah, in front.
Alright, try to relax. I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit. How's that? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's... It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, now look, see how tight this is? Then this side, not near as bad. It's still a little restricted here, but not much. See how far that opens up? The knee? Oh, cramp?
Yep.
Alright. Just try to relax, Raul. Where that So all of his hip flexors are just knotted up in here. Yep. Try to relax here. Yep. This one hurts a lot.
Yeah.
Come back to that later. Okay. I'm gonna work on your SI joints and up the spine, okay?
Yeah.
Just try to relax here. This is a sacral tuberous ligament. It goes from the sacrum down to the ischial tuberosity. It's very tight. Alright, Raul, just relax here. Deep breath. Now, all the way out. There we go. Yep. Yep. There it was. There you go. Yes, sir. A little more like this. Yep. Yep. Oh, sorry. Right here. Oh! Did you feel that?
Yeah.
That was really out of place, huh? Okay, on your side, this way?
This side.
This way, yep. Yep. Yeah. Is it okay? Right here?
Right here.
Okay, let's try to relax. Try to relax, here we go. Try to relax. Other side. Like that. How does this feel? Okay?
Yeah.
Yep, relax, relax. Relax. There you go. On your back. Yep, Bogarita. There you go. Pain, the left.
Oh, well done.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Oh. Yeah. Head up. Yep. Okay. There we go. Just relax. Yep.
Yeah.
That's good. Yep. Oh, yeah. Right here. Yep. Uno. Oh, yeah. Good, good. Yep. Oh. Very good. Very good, very good. Okay, just relax. Yep. How long has this been like that? 12 years? How many
Yeah.
years? 12 years?
This is the problem, but the moving, this, no, moving, a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
This,
Right, yeah, this is no nothing. For 12 years?
Yeah, no, 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
3 years ago, I started with pain here.
From soccer? Soccer?
No, the 12 years ago,
Yeah.
play soccer. The problem.
Yes.
The
Not that bad.
Not bad. Thailand, all this is okay. Now 2 years ago, for walking or stairs, something.
No movement.
Oh.
Yep, let it go. Just relax.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Relax. Pain? Does that hurt? Not really?
No, it's not tight.
Tight.
No.
Just try to relax. How about this one? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Huh? Yeah? You okay?
That's it.
Try to lift your leg up. Lift it up like that. Can you lift it? How high? A little more? That's it. This one? Not much. Oh. Yep. Relate.
Oh.
Yep. I know it hurts, but we got it. It's got a lot of scar tissue. in the joint. We gotta get some of that loosened up. I know, it doesn't feel good. Does it ever pop? Like, it does a lot? Like,
Yeah.
there you go. Okay, try to push it up. Yep. Relax. Push. Yep. Push. Yep. Relax. There you go. Very good. Very good. That's pretty good.
Smart.
Just relax. Yep. Keep this straight. Straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
Smart. Estuvo bueno.
Hurts right here.
Yeah.
Just relax. One more here, yep. Relax. Can you relax? Or too much pain? I'm just gonna stretch a little bit. You need to do this at home, okay? Try to stretch it some. Okay. Okay, so you're on your side. De lado, maybe. Hey. Yep. Alright, let's see here. Is that the knee?
No,
hurt?
here.
No, just the hip.
Yeah.
Very, muy bad. Muy mal. Is this hurting? Just a little?
No.
Okay. Boca arriba.
Sorry, man.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, now try to lift it up. See how high. This one. This one. Other one. Okay. Alright. Sit up, Mama. Sit up. Oh, yeah. That way. Yeah. Okay. Over here. This way.
Look arriba.
Alright. Yeah. Is this okay? No pain? Yeah, there you go. Just relax. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Yep.
¡Oh, su madre!
See, yeah. It's okay.
I don't.
Did you feel that
Yeah.
down here too?
Yeah, here.
All the way?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Good. Stand up. That way. Here you go. Right here. Yep. Just like this. Yep. There you go. Yep. There you go. Up and up. Bring that down. Down like that. Stay right there. Okay, Raul. How does it feel?
A little more better.
A little bit loose?
Yeah.
This one? Can you do that? Just a little bit?
Yeah.
A little bit better?
Yeah.
Now what you want to do is you need to keep working on the mobility of it. So try to, get your, if you can get your foot up on a chair maybe, something like this, and you just got to keep trying to stretch it. Any way that you can stretch it. If you can come this way and stretch it.
It's firm.
Yeah, stretch it. Oh, like that. You can do this. Even if it's like this, you just gotta keep stretching it. Because with the injury, I believe what happened was, I think this got torn. The acetabulum, the labrum here, I think it's torn, and I think there's a lot of scar tissue in there. Because it doesn't, no much movement. So you just gotta keep trying to work on that, to try and get that movement back. And, I'd say just kind of come back as needed for the adjustments. How's your spine feel? Pretty good? The back and the neck is great.
Yeah, good, man.
But the hip that's a tough one. It's just going to take time. It's been 12 years. It's just going to take some time to get that. You're really going to have to stretch it a lot.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, good, man. All right. Thank
Anything
you
you want to say to the...
El doctor aquí es chingón, vengan, se lo recomiendo. Es muy buen doctor, le da buenos consejos y sigan adelante con su vida. Gracias.
God bless.
Gracias.